Is it justified? What 160 years you've been here? So if they want to fight, let them fight.
Usimbot Menteri Rangba ke Jela uba Preston Tynsong ula pinpau ke jingsngo binyau Halor ke Shithi belapha da ke Harijan Panchayat Committee lani ke HPC bankam ba ke jing terwa jong ke sarkar Halor ke jing pin kerja ya ke jaga Jong ke Jongki kilong ke bambiang bamya bampat pin kre bam shong hok bagi bamya day dur bat ke sensyar paiba.
You go through to those arguments. They said they already here 160 years. Is it correct? Is it justified? What 160 years you've been here? So therefore, I don't want to comment further. So if they want to fight, let them fight.
Hagajing binyau upa Preston Tynsong ula ong shushu upa haba ula yo ya ke Shithi na ke HPC ula om na ke liang ke Jongki om shimladan AA shuban ong namar baga jaka bala jit ban pinkin ria yaki ke long ke ba itenat ke bahap po European Ward.
Their demand is what? One is 200 square meter plot of land, and number two, 20 lakhs each unit, which is how can we consider that one? From day one itself, when we had a meeting, I told them very, very clearly, we'll have a blueprint which is acceptable to both sides, because nowadays it's not so easy to get even a plot of land. But now we prepared the blueprint and we have already sent it to them, and they get such a wonderful place, such a wonderful location, which is also falls under European Ward.
Uba Preston ubadeiru chairman Jong ka high level committee ulayat hu bakin sa khot biang ya ka jingalang panyakran Halor ka jingtmu Jongki wadla ula penpau da ka boong bakat kum ka Shithi balayo na ka HPC I kumba kim Kwah hiru tang banya shong hakamiet banya selok Halor ki jingmentoy ba ki jing e.
You know, as per the letter, it seems they don't want even to sit across the table to discuss what is the plus, what is the minus. So I'll not be able to tell you right now. Then because now this direction comes from the Honorable High Court too, that we need to sort it out. So that I think I'll be able to tell you only when we send the affidavit to the Honorable High Court.
La pelong ka jingalang ha ka aproy trek uyayong do menteri ketenai ki kampo yang ke jelame glaya uba Preston Tynsong haringkat ka jingadan lang menteri ketenat urban affairs uba senyau halang dhar ringkat ki wei pat kinong tei kam jong ka sarkar banyak selok Halor kanikamat.